Hello student, welcome to my class. I am Dr. Mahadev Badge, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Lanja. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on economic importance of algae. Algae have great economic importance. Directly or indirectly, all organisms are benefited. There are two aspects of economic importance of algae: positive aspects and negative aspects. First of all, we will discuss the positive importance of algae. In positive importance, algae used as food, fodder, then in medicinal uses, in ecological uses, in food chain, as a source of minerals. First of all, you are going to discuss the edible forms of algae. Algae is the rich source of vitamins and minerals. Therefore, some commonly known species, for example, Porphyra, Ulva, Chlorella, Alaria, nostoc, etc., are used as a source of food by people of coastal region. Some algae are very rich in proteins, carbohydrates, minerals, vitamins. Therefore, it is very great nutritional value, and therefore people use as it is the food. In nutritional industry, spirulina and chlorella are commercially used as a nutritional supplement because it contains beta carotene, vitamins A, C, B1, B2, B6, B12, E, H, etc., as well as polysaccharides and polyunsaturated fatty acids. Some red algae and brown algae also the alternative source of vitamins and minerals. For example, fucan, laminarian, carrageenan and alginate also extracted from the seaweeds. Another use of algae is alginate. Alginate is extracted from the brown algae. For example, Fucus laminaria microcystis are the rich source of alginates. It is used in flame-proof fabrics, plastic articles, etc., and also prepared from alginates. It is used as the rich source of agar-agar. For example, Gracilaria and Gelidium are the rich source of agar-agar. Agar-agar used in making jelly, ice cream, soup and pastries as a stabilizer or emulsifier. Agar-agar also used in cosmetic, leather and pharmaceutical industries. Agar agar is used as solidifying agent in media for algae, fungi, bacteria and other tissues in laboratory. Another source of algae or use of algae is fodder and food chain. For example, Laminaria, Ascophyllum, Fucus are used as stock feed for cattle, sheep, and goats. The seaweed's meal contain high vitamins and minerals, hence, such meals is very nutritious. Algae also used as a biofertilizer. Seaweeds are rich in various types of minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, trace elements, etc. and growth substances, and hence they are extensively used as manure by people of coastal districts. Some lime depositing algae, for example, Lithothymnion, Lithophyllum, etc., are used for liming the crop fields. Fucus is used by Irish people as manure on a large scale. Blue-green algae, being rich in nitrogen and phosphorus, constitute better fertilizer than seaweeds. It is algae also used as soil reclamation. Nowadays, saline and alkaline wastelands in different parts of India are being reclaimed with the help of blue-green algae, for example, nostoc. Another use of algae is in the pharmaceutical industries for preparation of antibiotics. Chlorella is a source of chlorelin, which is used as antibiotics for bacteria. Another examples are cladophora and Lyngbia are used as antibacterial and antiviral. Another use of algae is diatomite. It constitutes the cell wall materials, and this is porous and insoluble. It is used as filter for oils and for clearing solvents. Algae also used as a sewage disposal. For example, chlorella, chlamydomonas, euglena, senedesmus, etc. use in sewage disposal plant.